This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, fruit dip. In the 90s, for a short spell, I lived in Nashville on White Avenue, around the corner from the Sutler, where I worked. My roommate and still longtime friend, Max Hutchinson, and I were invited to our next-door neighbor's holiday potluck party. Our neighbor, Keith Urban, had a friend, whose name escapes me, who made this luscious fruit dip. I couldn't get enough of it, but I also had a hard time figuring out the ingredients. I kept asking him, and he said it was a family secret. I eventually got the recipe from him. It was too easy. I almost didn't believe him. I don't make it much. There's a lot of sugar, which I usually avoid, but y'all, it's worth every calorie. It should come with a warning label because it is addictive. Seriously addictive. Make it for a party so you don't eat it all yourself. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic, okay?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, it's a little overkill, but I'm here for it. This is the kind of shit that makes you want to dance. Yeah. Want to try one? Come on. Oh, that's the one.
Strawberry. Oh.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Open up.
Mm.
Okay.
I like it.
You like it?
I love it.
Let's eat.